Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can duet a video on Snack Video. So press the share button and there's a duet button over here. Or you can press the duet button over here and press duet. Here you can change like the template of the duet. And you can either choose left screen, right screen, or picture in picture. Just click on the video. To enable the microphone, just press this over here, and to record, just click on this record button. 2, 1, and just duet the video. Once you're done, press next. You can add in like filters, etc., but I'm just going to press next. And you can just fill in the details later. But that is basically how you can duet a video on Snack Video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!